Well, howdy guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be I'm going to be replacing the spindle on this tractor. Got picked up from Case. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to obviously first take the wheel off. Try to match up. Oh wow, first one I grabbed. That's lucky. So, gonna do that. That's all I have. Gonna go grab gonna loosen the bolts on the wheel first, and then jack it up. Gonna go grab the jack now, take the wheel off, and I will see you guys once I have the spindle out. Well, I'll probably record a little bit of taking the spindle out as well, but it's pretty simple. You just undo a bolt, pull it out, but gotta take the wheel off first. So gonna do that. Kind of hard to I'll probably figure out a way to hold the camera, mount it up, so I'll figure something out. But I will see you guys once I'm headed back with the impact and that stuff. So for this, it looks like actual bolts, whereas normally it's not. Yeah, these are bolts. Studs. Ow. This one might be a little bit of a challenge. I could take the center. No, I actually don't think I can. Cold. I'll try to get this one off, but it's kind of in the way. This. Ow. Okay, so of course I forgot to grab the jack, so I will be back with the jack to jack it up. Yeah, if you jack the tire up first and then try taking in this case, bolts off first, the tires are gonna just spin and it's gonna be a real pain. So don't take the weight off of the tire first but then once you get the bolts loosened up at least, then you can. So I will be right back. Okay, so we have the jack here. Grabbed a piece of metal so that, because it's obviously a little gap there. This is a 20-ton jack, which we definitely don't need. That's all we had. We didn't have a middle ground one, so the jack's a little bit too big for this. But it's what we have, so we're gonna use that to jack this up. And then the bolt that you take out for the spindle itself is just that one right there. So let me see if I can get you guys in a position where you can see it. See what I'm doing, kind of. Yeah, that works. I think there ain't goat heads there. It's just frozen grass. Okay.
I think it's there.
Yeah, that's solid. I don't actually know if I can.
Other side, maybe.
No, I don't know what that was. If there is, there's definitely another one. There we go, that tire's loose now. Okay, that tire's free now. Okay, nah, it's all good. Okay. So now we just finish taking the tires off here. always leave one on top for it too. Oh, sorry, I'm getting your hand too. Always leave one on top.
Yeah.
To hold the tire on, which I did not do there for a sec.
Yeah.
Rookie mistake.
Ew.
Nah, I didn't give up on that. Okay. So this tire's obviously gonna have to be replaced at one point, or at some point. But
is there any other tires besides that one?
now, guess what? I forgot the wrench for this. So, good job, Eric. Yep, I need one. Oh, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so basically, we gotta get the
This
get
one fits
into there.
perfect. Yep.
Well, yeah, it fits on that, but
Oh,
we
is
gotta
that-
get into there. So I brought a flathead because that's a trick to make it so nuts don't turn as well. So we're gonna see if that works. It's not working. Nope, it did work. Perfect. Boom. Flathead. I use it constantly for that stuff. Okay. That is really greasy. Probably. Oh, schnockers. That's not good.
Real solid.
What?
What? You want me to hold it?
No. What? Okay then. Interesting. Okay, now we get this bolt out.
Screw it.
Thank you. I know. But I gotta get out there somehow. Yes. Boom.
What are these like spindle on the ends of the tires for?
What?
These luminar looking things?
Oh, those are. That's a good question. They're just kind of where.
They're just there to hang along for the ride.
And then this is the spindle. This long rod. So, yep. Okay, now we're in the shop. Since this spindle's already broken, I'm just gonna throw in the vice grip to get everything detached from it. And then I have the new spindle off over there. And then that's my nephew.
Hello.
He was in the last video helping hook the tractor up. Ugh. I did not need to open that much. Okay, I'll get ready to close it. Okay, good. Now, let's get this cap off.
Sturdy as
I've never actually done a hub replacement slash spindle replacement, so here's to hoping I can do it.
That's so greasy, my word.
I don't want to damage that. So, let me
Nice hat.
do some research real quick. Okay, guys, we're back. I have it mostly popped. It's let's start it. Nope, still not popped enough. Okay, let's see about getting it popped a little bit more. Okay, yeah, I am. Okay. Where did I throw that thing? Oh, it's still right there. What do you know? Still right there. Okay. Okay, there we go. There's that guy. Is it still not? Still not loose enough. Still not. Whoa! You're gonna need a slightly bigger one. Let's try this guy. There! That's moving it up. That's moving it up a lot. Problem is now I'm... There we go. That should be loose enough. I guess not. Never mind. I was wrong. Holy cannoli. I'm just gonna hammer it off like that. There we go. Okay, now that sucker's gonna be filled with grease. So this is what the inside looks like. There's a cotter pin in these to keep that nut from rotating, and just a ton of grease. So let's try to get that cotter pin bent back. Get the grease off of it. Okay. There, that is off. Okay. Cotter pin's out. Put that on there. And then now, you just take that off, which, I don't know what size that's gonna be a lot bigger than that. A lot bigger than that too. Perfect. Okay, gonna have to clean that off. Hello.
Hi, bud.
Okay, I had to cut it there for a sec, but I'm back. I got the main hub cover off, and then now it's time to get the bearings off. However one does that. We need to get the capsule nut off of that one, actually. I'm just now realizing. Also, this one did not have the washer on it.
That's no good.
Oh wait, yeah it did. No, it's right there.
It's inside, yeah, there we go.
Never mind. Oh, there's the other bearing. Okay. So that's a secondary bearing. We need to get this off without damaging it. Which I don't really know how. Oh wait, is there another washer below that? I honestly don't know.
No.
Take one of the bigger.
I am wondering if we can just tap it off with this.
Oh, hey, what do you know? Oh wait, I don't think it's actually moving. No. No. Yeah, try taking one of the fatter chisels.
Come in this way.
Oh, that's fair. You might need more than just dead blow. There is a washer. Yeah, that's definitely a washer down there. So we could hit the washer instead. Grab with that guy, and then hit this washer down here. I wonder if that that'll work. There's this little lip here.
I think that's the bearing.
Well,
I don't think that's the washer.
yeah, no, that probably is the bearing. But that's the only really stronger point we have to hit. Oh, I think you're moving. Yeah, you're moving. Try hitting it with this. Oh, no, that's working.
Here.
Yeah, try hitting it. Well, the good news is we'll have plenty of grease on it for sticking it on.
Yeah.
And then we'll probably have to...
Still not gonna budge for you.
Nope. Get this greased up.
Come on the other side now again.
Oh. Oh! I almost threw it. Could you take that washer off for me real quick? How is that bent?
It's big. The whole
This unit is like...
this is the
Yeah.
more slender part is the unit is bent.
Now guess what we gotta do? Now we gotta tap it down.
Yep. And get some more grease. Get some more of that grease down.
Let me just...
down there. And just
Oh yeah, hey.
I'm just being real quiet.
Oh hey, what do you know?
Seated?
Oh shoot!
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah,
It'll come right off. It'll come off.
Yeah, it did. Okay, hey, what do you know? This is the tray for all the grease.
Okay.
Let me actually. This is all new grease though, so.
Does look pretty new.
Because I mean, he was disassembling this quite a bit too. Okay. What?
I don't think it was. See, I think it just.
I think-
with the wheel, just.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, now we.
Is that down up against the? It'll get up against
Yeah.
the thing anyway when you hammer it. in.
Yeah. Okay, here's that washer. But like, apparently the bearings were fine, and they seem to be fine. Yeah. Oh shoot! Now I gotta touch. You grab this, set it on. Might move the camera a little bit. It's probably for. Oh shoot! Okay. I just put that up. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we're pop that on. And then I'm gonna take my gloves off.
The spline nut.
If I can. Oh no! The castle nut, yeah.
Oh no!
Castle knot.
My hands are too greasy.
Here, look at this.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now, that wrench.
Yeah.
And then now this will not be very tight. Like it's just barely.
I'm slipping on my grip already. Yeah, I'm spinning.
You know, the sucky part with this is, I think that's what we'll do. It's not tight, but that's where the dang, yeah, try holding it again. Like, that's where it should be.
Yeah.
But the problem is then we can't get the, that pin through it, the cotter pin.
Can we tighten it to another? Can we tighten it down even on to another castle opening?
Maybe. Yeah, let's try that.
Here, I'm gonna have to put it in here though.
Okay. Let me just put my glove on. Or you just hold that. I tighten that a good bit. There we go.
And this is just trash.
Yeah.
I got it. Here, let me take it up.
There. Yep. Okay.
Move the camera.
This is probably. Okay, where does it come off? Ah! Okay, let's try. Boop.
Yeah, because I would like, it should be a little tighter, I would think.
Yeah, but you don't want it too tight at all. At the same time, we're gonna be getting that greasy again.
Yeah, I'm just getting some of the bulk off of it.
Then- Oh, okay, I think this one will be. Yeah, that'll be fine right there. Boom, right there. I had to put a little bit of pressure on it, but not much. Now time to get the cotter pin through.
You got the pin.
Yeah.
Give it a little tippity tap.
A little tippity tap. Yeah, give it a little tippity tap. Yeah! And then let me bend this guy back around. Oh, no, it came out a little bit. There, yeah. Well, maybe a little bit more. Bend it sharp, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. That's good. And then this guy was a pain.
I bet it was. They are always such a pain.
And then the dead blow, yeah. It's not on straight, yeah. That's some more.
Yeah.
Oh no! It's already on! Oh no! Here's this guy. Oh! Okay.
I'll hold it. This
Hit
time.
it straight!
I know. This guy got to be
I
down.
know. I know, you're fine. Okay. And then we'll
Basically,
probably-
what I did was do this when I do these.
Yep, and then you'll do that.
Essentially,
Yeah, exactly.
as I don't ever come through.
You keep raising it.
Sometimes you have to hold it on one side.
Here, I'll
Here,
hold
I'll hold it here. I'll work.
Oh no!
Okay, I'll hold it here, and then you do.
Here. Let's get this straight-ish.
It's not gonna go. Was I wrong? Did it go?
Oh, I can't just tap it.
Did it go in? I've always had to go around the edge.
And we still will, Ryan.
Oh my gosh!
We still will. I caved in the top a little bit.
I had
so.
no idea you were gonna do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
We gotta make it.
That's done. And now we gotta grease it. But otherwise, it's done. I'll end the video here and cut back to putting it back on, I guess. Hey guys, so we got that guy back on. Now they are pointed still a little bit crooked, but it looks like that's how it's designed, which I don't like, but yeah. So front and rear on now. That's pretty much all we had for today to do, simply because, again, we aren't that big of an operation yet. I mean, this and that are all we have, so it's not like we need to do much in the winter time. Yeah, and once you get bigger, you do have to just do maintenance on stuff, but we don't really have to yet. There's a few other things we have to do on this before it's fully good to go, but for right now, that's it. And that will probably be the end of this video, just so I can push out another one for you guys. This one is probably long enough as it is. I'll probably cut a little bit of the actually working on out, because I mean, to get that guy on took 15 minutes on that guy alone, and then the front one took a while just because trying to get back jacked up, because it was my mistake, let that rotator piece fall down. I mean, it took a lot of blocks to get it back up. So I think that's yeah, we should probably grease that guy. Oh yeah, right, it's up there. So that's probably where I'll end the video for today. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.